Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. I'm here, I'm going to do another video for you. I've got my cups out. I'm not sure what size this canvas is. Should have measured it beforehand. I can't remember. So this is a 11 by 14 canvas today. And I want to show you the one that was supposed to be the Kiss Feather, but I'm going to have to practice more on that. But it turned out really nice. I like it this way. Turned out to a really nice painting. So there's that one. This will be the last one that will be coming out on just a Thursday. We'll be back from vacation, then I'll get back on regular schedule. So what I'm going to do on this this canvas is 3 small flip cups at the top and drag them down. So I'll fill my cups and then I'll put on my base coat. And I don't have names for the paint for the colors right now. I'll have them in the description box below. I'm just going to fill my cups and then set them aside while I put my base coat down so you can see what I'm doing. Try not to be too messy. Get rid of some of these paints I've had mixed up for a while. And hope for the best. Okay. Just gonna set these up here. Should cut my white a little bit. Move the whole canvas around while I'm doing this. I did fill my torch, so I have butane in my torch. That was giving me some problems, but I got it all filled up. Hope everybody is staying safe. Hopefully all this will be over with and we can get back to a sort of similar of a normal life. All right. Let's give this a torch. It's got some air bubbles in it. You don't get the air bubbles out when it dries and they're not popped. They have little craters or divots in your paint, so you don't want that. All right. So I'm going to flip them up here. There's one. Get this one in the middle. Try. Whoops, that didn't go well. And there's one. That one either. Oh well. See what happens. I wanted to keep them separate and then I can drag them down here like that. Oops, that didn't work either. take my hands off a bit. I'm going to give them a quick torch also. Some beautiful colors in there. Move stuff back so that I don't hit anything. I think I see something in my paints. You see something in your paint, you always want to get it out at the time, because once you start tilting, you'll never find it again. If it dries in your paint, it's not good. Luckily, I saw that quick. I don't see anything else, so let's try and tilt and see what happens. Let's move this up a little bit so I don't get so much paint on it. Down this way. Don't care for that white right there. I want the stripes more than that. Let's see how that did. I can tell on my, there we go, my screen. Get that back over here. That. I like that side. That looks really nice. That looks pretty good. I like it a lot. It's got some definition in it. It's got stripes, and here's some lacing. If I can go this way a little bit. I think if I do, though, I'm going to lose my don't want to lose my stripes. I think that's good. Get my hands wiped off. Okay. Give it a torch. Just to be on the safe side. Make sure there's no nasty air bubbles hiding anywhere. Can have some cells come up. I didn't use any silicone in any of my paints. So whatever cells show up, they're going to be natural cells from just the paint. There you have it. Give you a close-up. You can see those cells of the lacing right there. That's really pretty. We got some more cells over on this side. Really pretty. There we are. I want to thank everybody for watching today. I'll probably be back on my regular schedule next week. This will be the last one that'll be out on just on Thursday. I appreciate everybody waiting for me since I'm going on another trip with my husband. Subscribe, please, if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends so I can get more subscriptions. I really appreciate all of you. Give me a thumbs up if you can. Helps with my placement with YouTube. That's about all I can think of. You can go over to my store and have a look. I'm on Facebook and Instagram. Any of those places you could get a hold of me. My email address is on there. Or Messenger. Whatever you would prefer. And as always, please have a great day.